For the vast majority of the market or the customers, they don't have to worry about what's all the layers below the foundational model. Those things could be taken care of by the big tech companies or the nations or whatever. The more important thing, and even the bigger market, is a derived market from it. What do you do with it? How are you going to apply it to your own industry? How are you going to apply it to your own company? How your own department? And to yourself? So AI agents are just the programs. They're literally just programs, software, pieces of software that will perform certain tasks. Right now, our imagination is limited by what we have experienced, so therefore all AI agents that we can think about is replacing a lot of the repetitive or the tasks that used to cost a lot more money and just write it into an AI program, and therefore it's going to do it a lot cheaper and faster. But that's really just our lack of imagination. Now we could start to imagine certain things that we couldn't imagine before, and maybe we'll start accomplishing tasks that we never even thought was a task. Or a task that we didn't even think was something that we should be doing. A lot of times you do it because you can. Sometimes you do it because it's possible, right? The other thing is robots, right? So robots will be a physical representation of AI agents. So right now, remember what I said about AI agent today is really just a software, a program. It's not tangible, but the rise of robots will be here. Every household will have at least one. Every household has microwave, refrigerators, and everybody carries a phone with them. Every one of us will have a robot or two. And inside these robots will be AI brain power, right? And so the AI infrastructure will also have to extend from data centers to these edges. So that's the application layer. And the application layer will no longer just be simply pieces of software. It'll also be pieces of machines, like robots. And that's what we mean by AI agents. You know, with robots, we could start exploring places where we couldn't go before, because there's such a huge human capital cost, or human lives will be at risk at an unacceptable rate. I mean, but with robots, the chance of success could be like 0.001%, but who cares, right? Let's send robots there. Let's see what's over there. Our playground will no longer just be Earth, or no longer be just the surface area that we know today. It's going to be a lot bigger, right? The way we look at it from a Bespin perspective is that AI will be organized along different layers. So it'll be stacked on top of each other. So at the bottommost layer is just a pure physical infrastructure, like data centers, fibers, network, and even power plants that generate electricity. So there's a physical layer. So once you build all these data centers, you got to fill them up with actual servers and network gears, and each of these servers are these GPU chips. That's why NVIDIA is getting paid all the attention, because powering all this AI is the NVIDIA chips. So there's a chip layer, and then after the chip layer is you have the foundational model or different models. And right now the flavor of the day is the algorithm called transformer algorithm. That's powering all these LLMs, all this Gen AI. But whatever it is, there's that model, foundational model layer. After that is all these other application layers that takes advantage of what these models can do. So AI agents is in that application layer.